This is a boat that came in. This is the actual documented, not by us, first time by us. This will be the third engine that went in this boat. And well, we put the engine in it, it's running. And we've never seen a plug in the exhaust like that. And the funny thing is they drilled a hole in it after they put a plug in the exhaust. And over here, it's hard to see, but they drilled a hole in it but broke off the drill bit so no water's coming out. So we're going to pull those plugs out because that's supposed to be an exhaust. Don't have any idea if that's what's caused 3 other engines to go bad, but if it was supposed to be factory, I don't think it would have been not painted black. If it was black, I'd say go with factory, but we've never seen that in our combined 75 years of working on it, so it's not leaving here with those.